Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get a stretched resolution in Fortnite, step by step. Let's get started. The first step is to adjust Fortnite's GameUserSettings file. Start by opening the Start menu, typing %local AppData% and hitting Enter. Now scroll down to find the Fortnite Game folder. Open it, then navigate to Saved, open Config, open WindowsClient. Here you'll see a file named GameUserSettings. Right-click it, go to Properties and make sure the Read-Only option is unchecked. Click OK to save changes. Next, double-click the file to open it. Once inside, press Ctrl+F and search for resolution size. You'll see several lines like ResolutionSizeX and ResolutionSizeY, along with confirmed resolution size. These are your current resolution settings. Update these values to your desired resolution. For instance, if you want 1680 by 1020, set resolution size X to 1680 and resolution size Y to 1020. Do the same for the confirmed resolution size and screen width. After making changes, save the file and close it. Finally, right-click on Game User Settings again, go to Properties and tick the Read-Only box to lock your settings. Click OK. Now let's adjust your resolution in the NVIDIA Control Panel. Right-click on your desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel. If you don't see it, search for it or download it for free from the Microsoft Store. Once inside, go to Display and click on Change Resolution. Select your monitor, then click on Customize. Enable the option for resolutions not exposed by the display and click on Create Custom Resolution. Enter your desired resolution, 1680 by 1020 in this example, and set your refresh rate, such as 144 Hz. Click Test. Your screen may go black for a moment, but if the test is successful, click Yes to save it. Make sure your custom resolution is selected and click OK. Then under Adjust Size and Position, choose Full Screen and click Apply. Finally, open Fortnite and your new stretched resolution should be applied. Enjoy improved visibility and performance with this setup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.